far as total cost of ownership, first thing I look at is just the operating costs, and I break it down into three categories. You have your cost to heat the water if it's a hot water unit. You have the cost just to use the water and dispose of the water, your utility cost as far as your water. And then there's also the cost just to drive the pump, whether it's a gas engine driven, diesel engine driven, or electric motor driven. So you have your cost just to turn the pump, and that's your operating costs. Then beyond that, then you have to consider your, just of course, your capital expense costs. So what does it cost just to buy that washer? And then maintenance costs. What does it cost for daily repairs? So that's altogether, to me, that's what is your total cost consideration for that pressure washer. Well, as far as, especially when it comes to heating costs, hot water, of course, that's your biggest cost drivers, what it costs to heat the water. So right now, natural gas is the best option. It's the cheapest fuel available right now. LP gas is another comparable one, although that's a little more volatile. Your prices can change quite a bit compared to natural gas. And then, of course, there's diesel or electric heat that we also offer too. Diesel usually more for your mobile applications. You don't hook up to a gas line. You don't want to carry along a big LP tank. And then electric heat is a good option too, just that you have to have a lot of power available. So that's your main cost drivers for a pressure washer as far as the heating side of it. Natural gas being the best option. Electricity, as far as heating water, is comparable to diesel fuel actually. It's almost equal cost. Just that the main you have to consideration there is what power you have available. It takes a lot of power to heat water on demand as you need in a pressure washer. Well, we do these cost comparisons all the time, so it's something like I said we get asked all the time. So you could expect us to be able to do the calculations and tell you what it's going to cost around that machine.